afternoon, everyone. Today I would like to share about badminton. Badminton is a fast-paced racket sport played using racket to hit a feather projectile called a shuttlecock over net. It can be played in single, one player per side, or double, two players per side, and is a popular activity for recreation as well as demanding Olympic sport. Today I would like to share some health benefits about playing badminton. Playing badminton offers numerous physical and mental health benefits. First of all, physical fitness is provide a full body cardio workout that strengthens muscle, core, legs, arms, improves flexibility, enhance reflex, and boost metabolism. Secondly, mental well-being. The strategy nature of the game increases concentration and mental agility. It's also a social activity that can help reduce stress and improve mood. Last but not least, long-term health. Regularly participation can improve heart function, decrease cholesterol levels, and is linked to reduced risk of certain health conditions like diabetes. Badminton rules trace back to an ancient game called battledore and shuttlecock, and it's evolved into its modern form in the mid-19th century in British India. The sport got its official name from the Duke of Beaufort's estate in England, called Badminton House, where it was first played in 1873. Governed globally by Badminton World Federation, which means BWF. It has been a summer Olympic sport since the 1992 Barcelona Games. The key aspect of badminton: players score points by striking the shuttlecock so it lands within the opponent half of the court. A match is typically the best of 3 games, which each game played to 21 points. That's all my sharing today.